Hello, welcome student. We shall continue the reproductive unit. We shall continue the reproductive unit, and today we shall discuss the point demography. We shall discuss the point demography. So we can say that demography, the study of statistics such as birth, death, income, and the incidence of disease, which illustrates the changing structure of human populations. Means those are the factors which affect the change in populations, and also the birth and death of the humans is known as demography. Or in other words, we can say that this is the statistical data of human populations. What is the human populations, or the populations in the state, in the nation, in the world? So the data of that is known as demography. Now, how the data we get, how we count the humans population, understand, and that the methods or the program by which we count the population is called census. Means we can say that method of counting human body, means we can say that method of counting human body is called counting, or method, or the, we can say the technique or the program by which we count the method number of body, a number of human body is called census. And in India, the first census took place in 1871. हिंदुस्तान में पहली सेंसस 1871 में हुई थी, and the last, and before that just 2011 is the last till, मैंने इस वक्त तक 2011 is last, and the coming 2021 will be the census year. अगले साल फिर सेंसस होगी 2021 में. So 1871 and 2011 is the last census, and the population of India 2011 census 1.2 billion. The population means, according to census report of 2011, it is 1.2 billion. Now estimated census 1.33 billion. अभी फिलहाल एस्टिमेट कहता है मीन्स द फाइनल 2021 में आएगा, लेकिन इस बीच में हम एक उम्मीद करते हैं. तो जो उम्मीद किया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एस्टिमेटेड, और जो फाइनल होता है वो सेंसस होने के बाद ही पता चलता है. तो अभी एस्टिमेटेड सेंसस लगभग 1.33 बिलियन है, समझे. तो इसमें मस्ट पॉपुलेटेड state is UP. Highly populated state is UP. Also densely populated is Kerala. That is another muchly populated. And least populated is Sikkim. Understand? So this one, the current ratio of the census. And we see how the census is increasing. Means 2000 in the 2011 it was 1.22 and this 1.33. Hope that in the coming sections it will be 1.4 billions maybe. So such increasing is population is not a good way, is not a good direction for the coming generation. So also we see that in the 1900 years, the world population is 2 billion. Understand? And now in the 2000 years, it changed to 6 billion. Now how tremendous increasing in the populations in just 1 century. देखा 4 billions जो है 100 सालों के अंदर ये इंक्रीज कर रहा है. How much increases? And now the most populated country is China. And the least populated country is Vatican City. And the least populated country is Vatican City. It is an independent country. So these are the census record of somewhat. Now causes of increasing populations. Now what are the causes of people? What are the causes of increasing populations? That is, first one, lack of proper education. Understand? Means there is still the literacy rate is so much low in India, and that's why the people do not take attention on the what will be the effect of if the population will high. Understand? So there is shortage, lack of education, and lack of proper education means if they know what will be the effect of high population, then they will try to control it. So there is lack of proper education, and they must know about the bad effect of high population. Second one, good medical facility. Now in the medical science we have so much progressed, and due to increasing in medical facility, the death rate has लोअर डाउन। पहले बहुत सुना जाता था कि बहुत सी सब आई चीजें वबा आई, बहुत सी डिजीज आए और गांव के गांव लोग साफ हो गए, जिसका एक हल्का सा एग्जाम्पल अभी फिलहाल कोविड-19 के तहत हम देख रहे हैं, समझे। लेकिन बहुत से पहले जैसे कॉलेरा, टाइफाइड, ये सब जो आता था गांव के गांव जो है साफ हो जाते थे, हमने तो उन सब चीजों पे कंट्रोल पा लिया गया है। मतलब मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज इतने ज्यादा था, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज है या मेडिकल साइंस हैज सो डेवलप दैट they have taken too much control on the death rate, and that's why the population is increasing. Second, due to medical facility, the infant death rate also infant और मदर्स डेथ रेट ऑल्सो डिक्रीज। हाँ, पहले ये सुना जाता था कि बहुत से लोग समझे, यानी बहुत सी महिलाएं जो है एट द टाइम ऑफ क्या होता है रिप्रोडक्शन, एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी दे डाइड, मतलब बहुत से औरतें बच्चे जन्म के समय ही वो मौत हो जाती थी। लेकिन उस पर बहुत मेडिकल साइंस ने कंट्रोल कर लिया है, जिसकी वजह से अब जो है डेथ रेट कम ही हो गई है, और जिसके वजह डेथ रेट कम होने की वजह से उसका जनसंख्या ज्यादा होते जा रही है। Now the living standard of the man had changed. They eat the balanced diet, they take the balanced diet, and they take care on their health. So that's why the death rate is lowered down, is decreased. And so in such cases, the population will rise. So there are some cases in which the in which the population is increasing day by day, and so we can say that increase in population at such high rate will lead to population explosion. So if we do not take care on the population, so it will rise at very high speed, and that will cause population explosion, and that will be a very dangerous day for us. Now, how to control on population? How to control on populations means if the by that is possible only when by reducing the number of children, बच्चों की कमी करके by reducing the number of children, that is legally, not illegal. That is legally. How we can reduce means if we have what our offspring may, or by reducing the number of children, by reducing the number of offsprings, we can control on that. By avoiding unwanted pregnancy, so it is the main method by which we can control, and for that the method we use the contraceptions, that is technique for avoiding fertilization. Means what are the techniques which prevents the fertilizations, means technique for preventing or protecting from fertilizations. These are called contraception, and the method which we use, and the method which we use for that called contraceptives. These are the contraceptives which we use to avoid fertilizations or to prevent from the fertilizations. These are called contraceptives.